na mga Pilipino nandito ngayong gabi. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Di ba sa bati na yan, naabot natin ating pag-manasa ng kapayapaan. Peace be with you. Diba? At ngayon sa panahon na ito, gusto ko munang sabihin na I'm happy that I was invited to other celebrations earlier. Hapon ba? Ang San Basulta and yung sa Ritin. Thank you very much for inviting me to your Eid al-Adha celebrations. And ngayon it's my turn to invite all of you. The original plan was to invite the entire Filipino community. But unfortunately, due to changes sa mga scheduling, sa mga usap-usapan natin sa mga possible venues, we were unable to secure a venue that is big enough on time for this celebration. So, we will do better next year. At least, because I plan to have at least one big celebration for the community. Kung hindi man Eid al-Fitr, at least Eid al-Adha. I think last year, meron Eid al-Fitr. It's a big one. And Eid al-Adha last year became a little complicated because we had a lot of people going on the Hajj. So, but next year we will do better and we will make sure that we will have at least one big celebration for everybody. As I greet you, I'd like to greet you all a happy and meaningful Eid al-Adha, Eid al-Mubarak sa inyong lahat. This is a time, sabi nga, when we celebrate and thank the Almighty for the sacrifices that we have made. And maraming salamat, Sheikh Salah, mentioned that nothing easy or nothing simple, nothing important can come without sacrifice. Mahalagang sakripisyo. Dahil totoo yun. Walang bagay na importante na makakamit na walang sakripisyo. And as Filipinos overseas, we all are very much aware of that. From the most simple aspect, daily aspect. Kaya tayo nandito sa ibang bansa para tayo magtrabaho, tayo ay may iba nagka-negosyo, para tayo ay magkaroon ng, sabi na, magkaroon ng kita, magkaroon ng kabuhayan, so that we can provide for our families and loved ones. So we sacrifice. It is natural for us to make sacrifices. It's human nature. Because we value our families, we value our loved ones, and we will do anything to be able to ensure that they have a better future. But our sacrifices are not simply just for family, just for loved ones. The sacrifices that you make eventually also contribute to a better, a more prosperous, and a more peaceful community. So, yung inyong pagod dito, yung inyong pawis dito, yung inyong sakripisyo dito, lahat yan ay magta-translate. Sabi nga lahat yan, magko-contribute, magkakaresulta din eventually sa mas malawakang kapayapaan. Hindi lang na ating Filipino community dito sa Puwet, pero ating mga mahal sa buhay na nasa Pilipinas, na nasa Mindanao, na nasa iba-ibang lugar sa Mindanao. Nung nagsalita ako, when I was speaking before San Basulta, I mentioned something. Sabi ko, if we go back 100, 200, 300, 400, 500 years ago, ang Pilipinas, mga Pilipino, mga tribo tayo, mga pamilya, lahat magkakahiwalay. Tumawid ka lang dyan sa ilog, magkakatayo na tayo. Ganun noon eh. And yet now, 2024, nandito tayo, magkasama tayo sa isang kwarto. Diba? It shows that hindi lang peace, but harmony.